Let's see how this automobile sales service shop sell carbon deposit cleaning. Vehicle enters the workshop. The car owner mentions cold start difficulties, idle speed instability. Immediately arrange carbon deposit inspection. Open the Intelligent Technician app. Select carbon deposit detection from preset inspection templates. The technician inspects photos and records data of the vehicle condition in the entire engine. The technician immediately uploads the test report when the checking is completed. Service consultant uses the large smart screen to display real checking results. Show the working principles through the built-in 3D models. The owner can intuitively see the real carbon deposits inside the engine. The service consultant provides professional advice to the car owner according to the prompt information through visualized vehicle condition presentation. Increase the conversion rate of carbon deposit cleaning by 20% to 30%. Immediately arrange recommended products for carbon deposit cleaning. Introduce products and technical advantages to car owners through videos and pictures. The owner has a clear understanding of the vehicle condition and feels more confident to order. The carbon deposit cleaning project is ready to go. After the carbon deposit cleaning finished, the service consultant uses the large smart screen to view the construction results. The combustion chamber was full of thick carbon deposits before cleaning. The cleaned combustion chamber has restored the metallic luster of original. The car owner is very satisfied the visualized vehicle condition results presented. Oh yeah.